Teaching is a journey, not a destination. To be the best teacher you can be, you need to keep learning and growing. This means taking charge of your own development. A personal training plan helps you do just that. It's like a roadmap for your teaching career. Think about your strengths and weaknesses. What areas do you want to improve in? Maybe you want to learn new ways to teach grammar or find creative activities for your students. Your training plan should reflect your unique needs and goals. Having a plan keeps you focused and motivated. It helps you track your progress and celebrate your achievements. Remember, even small steps lead to big changes over time. So, take the first step and start planning your professional development today. Creating a personal training plan starts with identifying your goals. What skills do you want to develop? What kind of teacher do you aspire to be? Once you have a clear vision, you can start building your teacher toolkit. Start by listing specific areas you want to improve. This could be anything from classroom management to using technology in the classroom. Break down each area into smaller, achievable goals. For example, instead of improve my classroom management, try implement a new reward system, or learn effective strategies for dealing with disruptive behavior. Next, prioritize your goals. Which ones are most important to you right now? Which ones will have the biggest impact on your teaching? By focusing on a few key areas at a time, you'll make steady progress and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Finally, set realistic timelines for achieving your goals. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a master teacher. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your successes along the way. We live in a digital age, and that means a wealth of resources are available at our fingertips. For teachers, the internet is a treasure trove of free materials and support. Websites, blogs, and social media platforms offer a plethora of ideas, activities, and advice. One great place to start is by exploring websites dedicated to English language teaching. Many offer free lesson plans, teaching tips, and articles on current trends in education. You can also find valuable resources on websites like YouTube, where EFL teachers share their expertise through videos and tutorials. Social media platforms like Twitter and Facebook are also excellent places to connect with other teachers and stay updated on the latest developments in the field. Join online communities, participate in discussions, and don't be afraid to ask questions. Remember, learning from your peers is a valuable part of professional development. Section 4. Courses and webinars. Focused learning for growth. While free online resources are incredibly valuable, sometimes you need a more structured approach to learning. Online courses and webinars offer a fantastic opportunity to delve deeper into specific topics and gain valuable insights from experts in the field. Numerous online platforms offer a wide range of courses tailored to the needs of English language teachers. These courses often cover topics like teaching methodologies, classroom management, assessment strategies, and using technology in the classroom. Webinars are another excellent option for professional development. These online seminars provide a more interactive learning experience, allowing you to engage with the presenter and other participants in real time. When choosing online courses or webinars, it's important to consider your specific needs and goals. Look for courses that are relevant to your current teaching context and offer practical strategies that you can implement in your classroom. Section 5. Conclusion: Never stop learning. Developing your own criteria for ongoing training and learning is an essential part of being an effective and fulfilled teacher. By setting clear goals, leveraging online resources, and taking advantage of online courses and webinars, you can continuously grow your skills and knowledge. Remember, teaching is a journey of lifelong learning. Embrace the process, stay curious, and never stop seeking new ways to improve your craft. Your students will thank you for it.